What's up, everybody? Welcome to the OptionPro Weekly Upcoming Webinar, where we go over charts for the upcoming week and what we're seeing. All right. Before we get started, everybody, please pause your screen and read this disclaimer. All righty. Great. Welcome back. All right. Let's get started with earnings. All righty. Earnings. Nothing for us this week that I trade, that I watch, or that I look at. So nothing there. Let's check out the upcoming data. What do we have here? Upcoming data. All righty. Share. All right, here we go. Upcoming data for this week of the 21st. All right. Monday, 8:30. Nothing special for us here. Tuesday, existing home sales. That's something big. Consumer confidence. That will affect us at 10 o'clock, guys. So please, guys, at around 9:55, guys, stay cash. Wednesday's the big one here, guys. Jobless claims coming in for us. Durable goods, core capital goods, consumer spending, core inflation at 8:30. That's the big ones, guys. So swing wise, just be careful of your swings. At 10 o'clock, we have new home sales as well. The big ones there, guys. So we have to be on watch for that. All right, let's get to the charts. All right, guys, I have three charts up here, guys. I have the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, and the weekly chart up here. On the daily chart, I have the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. Let's get started with SPY first. All right, let's see what we have here. Weekly chart still following that trend line. Volume is still there. All righty, that's looking good there. We dropped through the trend line and held strong. It handed us a doji right there at the highs. So that means we can reverse here, guys. Let's look at the daily. The daily popped through, but dropped down. That's called about what that pattern is, but that typically means a drop. Now this package has been officially approved, guys. It's a tamed down version from 2 months ago, but it's still a package, so we can see a pump up towards 373 on Monday. So what I'm staring at here, guys, is a break of this 373. At the highs of 372.50, guys. It's a break of 373, the whole in the number. What I'm there right there then is what I'm trading there is up towards 374.50 area, 374.75, but that 375, guys, will be a hard break. So that's a big mental whole number, 375. So break it through that, guys. The volume needs to be strong. Now, Thursday, guys, we have a half a day Thursday, and Friday the market is closed. So what I'm thinking is a break through that 373, guys. We're going to test the 374.50 area and then drop back down towards 370 is what I'm seeing here. Now, break through this 367, guys. We're going to drop down towards 362.50 area, possibly 357, 358 is the levels for that. For the upside, a break of 373 to that 375. If that 375 does break, guys, we can't push up towards that 380 level there. Qs, so look at the Qs real fast. Qs at the high still. I'll break of this 312. We're going to test that 314 area. On the downside, a break on the 308. We're going to drop back down towards that 305. It's at highs now, so it has to have a strong reason to push through 312. All right, let's get started with Apple. She's finally back for us here, guys. The past 2-3 days have been good. Let's look at these charts here. Expand right. Follow the trend line here. cleanly. Volume has started to step back up. All right, well, what I'm looking for here is a break over this 130 now for a test at 135, 138 area. If that 138 does break, guys, we have the 140 not too far. So just be wary of that. On the downside, a break on the 125, trade it back down towards the 120. That should be a strong support area for it, between 120 and 118. A break under 118, guys, trade it down towards 115, 114 area. AMD, this 98 has been hard to break, but the chart is still looking strong. Let's scroll in a little bit. All right, what I'm watching here now is a hold of that 90 here. Hold of this 90. So, all right. Hey, break through 98, guys. We're going to test that 100. If that 100 breaks, we're going to shoot up towards 103, 105. But I think we're going to fake out at 103 and then drop back down towards 100. If we reject 100 here, we're going to drop down through this $90 here, right? The break of 90, guys, we're going to drop down towards 87.50 area, possibly the 86s. Put side, I'm not going to trade it. The break, I'm going to trade. The drop, no. Amazon, still following this trend line here. She broke under it. She held it again here. Now, a break of this 3,300. We're going to shoot up towards 3,350, 3,375, and then 3,400. That 3,400, guys, will be the big play. Hey, we're break through here, guys. You're going to shoot up towards 3,400 and 3,500 easily. On the downside, a break under 3,200. So you're going to test that 3,150 and 3,100. BA. She was check that again. Cap fill that 240 here. A break under this 215. She can drop back down towards that 200. On the upside, a break over to 40, guys. Traded back up towards 250 and 260. Primary for me for Monday and Tuesday is this break of 240. I'm not too fond of it. I'm going to cover that in the pre-market chat for you guys. All right, Baidu here, setting up perfectly here, guys. So what I'm seeing here is two big rejections of that 200, right? And then here is a inverse H. So if that 201 does break, guys, you're gonna shoot up towards 205, 210 area. Now let me step it back a little bit here for you, if I can. And back it up. It's not gonna show us on this chart, but 205, 210, and then 220 area. On the downside, a break of that 185, guys. Trade this right back down towards 178, 170, and 165, guys. It will pay beautifully. So set your alert here around 187, just so you see it. That, and then you send one up here at 199. All right, Blink. Similar setup here, guys. A big H. The break of that 40, guys, will pay here. So I'll break that 40, trade up towards 42 and 44. I'll break under 34, trade back down towards 30. All right, what's next? Disney. Let's get on to this one here. Setting up as well here. A big jump. consolidation, tighter consolidation. Now it's going to be a break over this 176, trade up towards 180, and then 185 and 190. On the downside, break under 170, trade down towards 165, 160, and 157. All right, what's next here? Take a look at DKNG. All right, I'll break this 56, guys. Trade this up towards 58, 60, and 62. On the drop, I'm not going to trade it at all. Let's see, I'm going to handle the pre-market, Facebook. We don't trade this no more. FedEx, all right, she dropped hard. A hold of this 275, guys, is key. If you break under this 275, trade down towards 270, 267 area. On the hold of 275, a break of 280, trade up towards 285, 290, 295. She dropped for no purpose. All right, Fastly primary as well here, guys. A break of that 106, trade up towards 110, 115 area. On the downside, a break under 99, trade back down toward the 95. GS, all right, a break of this. Break over 246, trade up towards 250, 253, 255. On the drop, I don't like it at all. JKS, I missed on Friday. Oh, she would have paid nicely. All right, so the next setup here, guys, is a break of that 70, trade up towards 72, 74, 76. If that 76 breaks, guys, trade up towards 80. On the downside, I don't like it. LU, a break of that 390, trade up towards 400. That 400 break, guys, trade up towards 410, 420, and 425. On the downside, too far away for me to talk about. Microsoft, alrighty, nice flag right here. A break of this 221, guys, trade up towards 224, 226, and 228. On the downside, a break under 216, trade down towards 212. Now, they announced on Friday at around 3:30 that they're making their own chips now. All right, let's keep going here. MU, I'll break it at 74.50, guys. Trade this up towards 76 and 78. A break under 70, trade down towards 68 and 66. Netflix, I like this one a lot. A break of that 540, guys. Trade up towards 550, 560, and then 570. On the downside, I'm not going to be trading it, but a break under 528, traded down towards 520. Neo setting up as well. Let's scroll in here. A break of this 48 is the aggressive trade up towards 50. The safer trade is a break over 50, trade up towards 52 and 54 on the upside. On the downside, I'm not going to touch it until the break of 38. NVIDIA has been flat. She's getting tighter here, guys. The break under 520, traded down towards 510 and 500. I'm not going to trade it, but we're going to break over 540, trade up towards 550, 555 area. Not a fan of it at all. Penn was crazy. The next trade here is a break over that 94, trade back up toward 96, 98, and 99. A break under 88, traded down towards 86 and 84. Pins setting up beautifully. A break of that 73, trade up towards 75, 76, and 78. A break under 66, traded down towards 62. PLTR getting tighter here as well. And let's draw these lines here. Scroll in. Let's see how clean it looks. All right. Don't like it. One with that on. All right, so my trade is going to be the aggressive trade is a break over 28, trade up towards 29. The safer trade is a break over 29, trade up towards 30, 31, and 32. On the drop, I don't like it. Plug, break of that 33 guys, trade up towards 34 and 35. A break under 29, trade back down towards 27. Peloton's at highs. A break over that 142, trade up towards 145. On the downside, I don't like it at all. PayPal, the break of 240 guys will push. A break of 240 guys, trade up towards 245, 250. A break under 230, trade back down towards 225. QCOM, I don't like the zone. Roku, a break of that 352, trade up towards 360 and 370. A break under 320, trade back down towards 310 and 300. Stitch Fix, move this up now. All right, a break over this. A break over the 72.50 now, you guys. Trade up towards 75. A break under 67.50. Trade back down towards 65, 62.50, and 60. Shopify. All right, the second break of that 1,200 will push. A break of that 1,200, guys. Trade up towards 1,240 and 1,250 area. On the downside, a break under about 1140. You could chance it down towards 1120 and 1100. What else do we have here? Square, I'll break it that 238, trade up towards 240. The bigger trade is going to be a break over that 240, guys. Trade is up towards 240, 250, 245. 247 and 250. On the downside, a break under 230, guys. Trade back down towards 220. All right, Tesla. I actually have no idea what she's going to do anymore. You know, we have two possible things here, guys. She can hit that 700 and just push up towards 720, 740, 750. But what I'm thinking too, guys, is she could break through that 700 and just sell off back down towards that 650 area. So I'm going to talk about her in the pre-market tomorrow because right now I'm not sure. Also, we have WMT still getting set up here. She's holding that 145 hard for the last 4 days. 5 days, say, holding it hard. I'll break over that 148, guys. Traded up towards 150, 152, 154, and then blue skies, as my man Trey Brigade says. On the downside, I'm not going to trade it. XBEV, I will handle this in a pre-market. ZM, I don't like it here. ZS is going to be great. A break of that 200, guys. Trade up towards 210, 220. A break on the 180. Trade back down towards 170. All right, guys. It's going to be a short week, guys. I'm expecting a low volume to start on Wednesday. So, guys, please, guys, still, Monday, Tuesday, guys, build up your cushion. Wednesday, Thursday, you take your chances. Okay, guys? Monday, Tuesday, we build up. Wednesday, Thursday, guys, we take our chances. Hi, guys. Happy holidays, guys, and stay green, everybody.